topic is chloroplast. Chloroplast is the membrane-bound structure found in plant cells. It is a unique organelle which is found only in plant cells, and that's why it makes plant from animal. Plant kingdom different from animal kingdom. Due to this chloroplast, plants are autotroph. Plants are autotroph. Autotrophs means they prepare their own food. They prepare food in presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide. That means it converts photo energy, light energy into chemical energy. Plants convert photo energy into chemical energy because of chloroplast, because of pigment present in chloroplast, that is chlorophyll, which is a green pigment. Chemical energy. Come to the structure of chloroplast. Chloroplast is a membrane-bound structure. Like mitochondria, it has double membrane, outer and inner membrane. Outer and inner membrane. Very rough structure, that's a rough diagram. That is outer membrane, and this is inner membrane. Similar to mitochondria. Membrane. Inner membrane is less permeable. It is less permeable or selectively permeable. Inside the membrane, inner membrane, this space is known as stroma. Stroma of the chloroplast. This space is known as stroma. Stroma contain many enzymes which helps in formation of carbohydrate and protein. Stroma contains enzyme which helps in formation of carbohydrate and protein. Formation of carbohydrate and protein. Very peculiar structure found inside stroma is thylakoid. Thylakoid is a bag-like structure arranged in a stack or piles. These are एक अलग अलग करेंगे तो ये थैलाकॉइड है, ये अरेंज है, ऑर्गेनाइज है, सिस्टमेटिकली ऑर्गेनाइज, जैसे कि कॉइन सारे एक के ऊपर एक रखे हुए हैं. एक को हम कहेंगे थैलाकॉइड. And this stack is known as piles of, which looks like a piles of coin, is known as grana. Grana. On thylakoid or grana, pigments are found. Green pigments are found, which is known as chlorophyll. And this chlorophyll helps in formation, responsible for formation of chemical energy, convert photo energy into chemical energy. These pigments are chlorophyll. There are many grana in each cell. Grana, ये सारे हैं. Thylakoid of one grana is connected to another grana by a membranous tubule, and this tubule is known as stroma lamellae. ये कनेक्ट करता है ग्रैना को, लेकिन इसको स्ट्रोमा लैमेली कह रहे हैं क्योंकि ये मेम्ब्रेन जो है वो स्ट्रोमा के अंदर पाई जाती है. दीज आर कनेक्टिंग ट्यूब्यूल. स्ट्रोमा लैमेली. Inside it, circular DNA is found. Circular DNA and ribosome is also present. That's why, because of presence of DNA and ribosome, chloroplast is also a semi-autonomous body which replicate itself. Ribosome. Due to presence of DNA and ribosome, chloroplast is semi-autonomous body. Semi-autonomous body. This space between upper membrane and inner membrane is known as intermembranous space. Intermembranous space. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में इनर मेम्ब्रेन पे क्रिस्टल होता है जो मुड़ा मुड़ा होता है, मगर इसमें ये नहीं है, क्या है कि अंदर में इसके मेम्ब्रेनस स्ट्रक्चर थैलेकॉइड है. This ribosome is of 70S type. Ribosome is 70S type, which is similar to prokaryotic ribosome. Yes, prokaryotic ribosome 70S. And these bag-like structure, which is very peculiar part of the chloroplast, thylakoid, inside thylakoid pigments found, which is known as chlorophyll, which is the main, and on this part of grana, light reaction takes place. यहाँ पे जो फूड बनता है, ऑटोट्रॉफ है जिसकी वजह से फूड बनता है, ये इस जगह होता है, ये लाइट के प्रेजेंस में ही होता है. तो ये पार्ट जो क्लोरोप्लास्ट का होता है, यहाँ पे लाइट रिएक्शन होता है, वेयरएज इसमें डार्क रिएक्शन होता है, जो कि हमको अभी नहीं पढ़ना है. ये लाइट रिएक्शन हमको पढ़ना है. One thing, more thing. Chloroplasts are found in the mesophyll cell of leaf. लीफ के ये मेसोफिल मिडिल लेयर में पाया जाता है. These are found in mesophyll part of leaf. Part of leaves or green stem, young stem. There many shapes are found of chloroplast. These are lens shaped or spherical, oval, spherical. These are the shapes of chloroplast. Discoid, डिस्क की तरह के ऊपर एक सरिया हुआ रहेगा. These shapes are lens shaped or oval shape or spherical shape or discoid shape. Come to the measurement of chloroplast. Length varies from 5 to 10 micron. Length of chloroplast varies from 5 to 10 micron, whereas width varies from 2 to 4 micron. Number is also different in different plant. More active plant have more chloroplast. More active means अगर उसको प्रॉपर धूप में रखा हुआ है, उसको प्रॉपर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मिल रहा है, तो वो ज़्यादा फूड बनाएगा. अगर आप अंधेरे में ग्रीन प्लांट को भी रख देंगे कमरे में बंद करके, तो फूड सिंथेसिस नहीं करेगा, वो धीरे धीरे पीला होने लगेगा. क्या मतलब है इसका क्लोरोफिल जो है वो वर्क नहीं कर रहा है, वो इनएक्टिव हो गया है, कलर बदलेगा, प्लांट खाना नहीं बनाएगा, वो मर जाएगा. सिंपल. तो नंबर वेरीज फ्रॉम 1 per cell to 20-40 per cell. 1 per cell का एग्जाम्पल है 1 per cell फाउंड इन Chlamydomonas. Whereas green alga contain 20 to 40 per cell. 20 to 40 per cell found in green alga. Per cell found in green alga. And chloroplasts are double membrane bound structure. Inner membrane is relatively less permeable. The space limited by the inner membrane of the chloroplast is called stroma. Clear? In the stroma, number of organized flattened membranous sac called the thylakoid. Thylakoid are arranged in stack like the pile of coins called grana. In addition to these, there are flat membranous tubule called the stroma lamellae connecting thylakoid of different grana. The membrane of thylakoid encloses a space called the lumen. The stroma of chloroplast contain enzyme required for the synthesis of carbohydrate and protein. Chloroplast also contain stranded circular DNA molecule as well as ribosome. Chlorophyll pigments are present in the thylakoid. The ribosome of chloroplast is smaller, that is 70S, and the cytoplasmic ribosome are 80S. That's all about the क्लोरोप्लास्ट. कैसे ये फंक्शन करेगा ये फिजियोलॉजी में हम देखेंगे. कैसे केमिकल एनर्जी बनती है वो फिजियोलॉजी में देखेंगे. थैंक यू.